people can't see me right now. But just I try head towards a little light up place. So start one and two things, you see me? Most can't see me around. Them places are so funny, bro. Yeah man, you Andrew. Andrew Wellness. I want to ask you what you think the people in Jamaica are idiot, don't you? Think the people in Jamaica are real idiot and that you really take them for. You know three things me talk three little topic me touch upon that. Me touch upon the girl when you trim off her locks. Trim off her locks and all them things there. You see me? And me touch upon the member of parliament we keep party. I'm going to touch upon the DPP, the lady there, the corrupt lady there, you see me? Yeah. Alright, you know trim off the little girl here in a jail. So you know have investigation and all type of shit you know have. No. Trim off her here in a jail and say no go have all these investigations. I know no do I know no come to John Public and thing and come with no conclusion or no finding one having the case. You see me? What I have to tell you, you know, Bruce, I talk about Bruce, so I have to tell you, you know, Andrew Wellness. You better listen to me, you know. If you listen to me, my lord, you will see, say, enough things we are going, people them listen to me and say, and other people are follow the bigger leaders them, and I mean the bigger artists them are over them, see what me I do. As a younger artist, I mean, I've been for a long time. You can go up on my channel and see that. You say if you sweep under the rug what happened to the Rasta girl, and act like them never cut off her ear and then transfer the police lady to another post, and then you see revolution start at Jamaica, remember you are to be blamed. You see me? Because you infringe upon our sovereignty and our rights to religion and trim off our ear and then one cover it up on them things there. So just remember, you know, the actions in my lord. Remember say if you don't cover it up and don't do nothing about it, the Jamaica people, the world at large see what going on. And what I do is not right, you see me? So just remember say a fire go burn for you for that and you can't escape that fire there. So you can go and play in there and go on like some joke thing me I tell you. Anyhow, you not give no justice to the girl when you trim off her locks, my lord. Watch how Jamaica go catch a fire. Little by little a fire go start burn virgin. And me I tell you now go stop until you reach on their ass and you feel the judgment. You see me? Yeah. You lock down the whole of Jamaica. You invite cruise ship to come and them have big pool party and end up on the beach and them enjoy the amenities and everything of Jamaica. But the Jamaican people, them you lock them up in them house and lock them up if they ever come out and tell police if you shoot at them. Yet you have a big cruise ship come and party and keep people now no social distancing, no mask wearing. And then you're a member of parliament, Mr. Green now. So I'm a member of agriculture, minister of agriculture, a key party, and you see when I party on a mock Jamaica people. You see when I mock the same people that vote in on my life. It's a wicked government. So I'm being tell the people them say, dog, you Andrew Wellness cut off of the same cloth of Buster Mountain. Sure right now, my lad, you let down JLP party big time because you see you don't like poor people, you do not respect the Jamaican people and them rights, bro. You see me? I mean, I tell you, you're going to get a judgment for that, my lord. I see Run go resign. You know. But you, DPP, Paula Luwina, and where you want name. You know me at a big guy, Paula. The dirty woman there. You dirty, stinking woman. You me a bumper ass chat now. You see you? Me notice when them kill Kentucky kid, when you sweep it under the rug. You kill a Rasta man over a woman and him life and just take a Rasta man life and Kentucky kid case sweep under the rug. And now then come and trim this girl, my lord, and you sweep it under the rug too. When I try sweep it under the rug and act like the girl, make it up on the top about her friend them, so she went trim on them thing. My lord, you see all them thing they want to do against Rasta, my lord, and I chastise Rasta for not my lord, and then one gateway, show us a Babylon.